Welcome. Today we will explore how pages work and delve into a recent incident involving Israel and Hezbollah. Pages are communication devices that receive messages through radio signals. They work via a network of base stations and repeaters, which ensure that messages are transmitted accurately to the pages. Recently, there was a report of Israeli interference with Hezbollah's technology. The details are still coming in, but let's examine two potential scenarios that might explain the situation. First, a software virus attack. In this scenario, a malware infection could disrupt the pager network, leading to the communication failures or data corruption. However, if the interference involved causing explosions, this would be less likely due to software alone. Secondly, hardware interference. This could involve physical tampering or pre-installed devices like explosives that could be triggered remotely. Intelligence agencies like Mossad are known for sophisticated operations, and if pages were rigged with explosive devices, they could be detonated remotely or set off by interference. While a software attack might disrupt communication, the occurrence of explosions point more towards hardware interference or tampering. Such operations would involve a more complex setup, possibly including pre-installed explosives. As the situation unfolds, understanding these technologies and this potential for both software and hardware attacks is crucial. Stay informed as more details emerge. Thanks for watching.